or welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you all are doing great. So in today's video, I'm going to share you my favorite lip liners and lip shades that you actually need and how can you use them to create multiple different lip combos. Because I know a lot of us have so many lip products but फिर भी हम confuse हो जाते हैं कि किसके साथ कौन सा shade pair up करें. Instead of buying random products, I will help you understand which basic pink and brown you should have. So you can create everything from everyday soft look to bold glam look. And this is especially helpful if you are someone who wants to invest in lip products smartly, like college going or office going girls. You don't need a huge collection, just the right shades. And I will also show you how I create different lip combos from the same product, so you can actually see the difference. Okay, so first let me quickly show you all the shades that I feel are enough to create multiple lip combos. Starting with the lip liners, I have Mars in shade Deep Down 02, Cocoa Butter 14, Bloodbath 03, Steamy Pink in 09. Then I have Hilary Rhoda in shade Te Amau, and from Swiss Beauty I have Maroon 02 and Dark Chocolate 12. These liners basically covers your pink, browns and deeper tones, which is all you really need. For lipsticks I have Swiss Beauty in shade Hot Nude and Raspberry, K Beauty in shade Promise, and from Zudio I have Cocoa Rush in shade Hot Truffle and Spicy Mocha. Again, very versatile shades, easy to mix and match. And for glosses, I have Mars Candelicious glosses in shade Cherry Cola and Tutti Frutti. And this one is a clear gloss from Mars. Gloss just add the final touch and makes any lip combo better instantly. So now that you have seen all the shades, let me show you how I actually use these to create different lip combos. Starting with the soft pink look, something very fresh and everyday. I'm using the Mars lip liner in shade Steamy Pink to outline my lips, and I'm also lightly filling them in so the color blends better with the lipstick. Then I am going with the Swiss Beauty lipstick in shade Hot Nude, and you can already see how well these two shades complement each other. To finish, I am adding the Mars gloss in shade Tutti Frutti, which just adds the beautiful shine and makes the lips look more plump. This is honestly my one of the most favorite looks. It looks so fresh, so glowy, and I personally love this. Next, I am creating a soft mauve lip combo. For this, I am using Mars lip liner in shade Deep Down, outlining my lips and blending it slightly inwards so there is no harsh line. Then I am applying my Swiss Beauty lipstick, and you can see how it creates that perfect mauve tone when combined. And again, I am finishing it with Tutti Frutti gloss just to add that glossy finish. This is my go-to lip combo. I wear this for outings, meetings, and whenever I want something that looks put together but not too loud. Now, if you are someone who loves bold lips, this is for you. I am using the Mars lip liner in shade Cocoa Butter to really define my lips properly and slightly deepen the outer edges. Then I am going with the Swiss Beauty lipstick in shade Raspberry, and this instantly gives that rich and bold color. To enhance it even more, I am adding the Mars gloss in shade Cherry Cola, which adds shine and makes the look more glam. Now this is perfect for parties, weddings or night makeup. It gives such a strong and confident vibe. For all my brown lip lovers, this combo is a must-have. I'm using Swiss Beauty lip liner in shade Dark Chocolate, outlining and slightly blending it to keep the look soft but defined. Then I'm applying Zudio lipstick in shade Spicy Mocha, which is a beautiful brown tone. And to finish, I'm adding a clear gloss from Mars. This just ties the whole look together and gives that clear and polished finish. And lastly, for a very effortless and simple everyday glossy lip, I'm using Hilary Rhoda lip liner in shade Te Amau, softly defining my lips. Then I'm going with K Beauty lipstick in shade Promise and finishing it off with the Mars lip liners in shade Tutti Frutti. This gives that your lip but better effect, very natural, slightly glossy and perfect for college, office or just everyday wear. So this is it for this video. Let me know which lip combo was your favorite, and if you want more videos like this, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.